Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another beautiful sunrise Sunday morning. I hope you have a beautiful day with your family and friends. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm going to do technicals. I'm going to show where I would set up long-term trades if you're not in a trade, and where I would set up short-term trades. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. My account 1154, still quite good this week, up from 1055, so up about 100k this week, which is beautiful. The high was 1213. Let's go into technicals. Bitcoin hit last night 107 again, right? 26, 5 a.m. Yesterday 5 a.m. hit 107. Sideways movement, not much movement. You can see my buys on Bitcoin where I keep buying exactly the dips. Actually, I buy the bottom of the dips, which is quite good. The funding fee 0.01, so we are paying fees. 73,000 profit on this trade, 7.5 Bitcoin, and I've paid 7.5 Bitcoin. I paid 3,500 to keep this $700,000 trade open. So 3,500 to keep this $700,000 trade open, and it's in profit now, 72,000. The Ethereum trade, I paid 2,300 to keep $481,000 in open. It's 500 in the negative. Altcoins, MCRT pulling back a little bit. I'm going to buy more. You have to do your own due diligence, everyone. I'm a seed investor of this project, and I've been accumulating more. I haven't sold any of my tokens, my founder tokens. I've just been buying more and more off the market. Now I hold 103 plus 103, so 206,000 I hold, plus my founder tokens. The 206,000 I bought off the open market. World is down a little bit, 93,000. This was 108,000, so it pulled back around 20% off the top. Not so nice. Uniswap also a little bit pulled back 3%. The altcoins getting hammered. No bounces on the altcoins. Doge staying around the same. Ton about even. Ton didn't really move from. I bought some on the dip at $4.70 and then it bounced, but not much of a bounce. Let's go into Bitcoin and Ethereum technicals. We're going to Bitcoin 104,800. We have one more day left of the week. 23 hours, 58 minutes. So far, the weekly candle has been nice, but we have one more day to close it. Two bullish candles with bullish green volume, which is good news. Stochastic still turning up. Crypto Guru Bot fired a blue buy back in February 2023 at 20k. Still a blue buy now. You get it in the Crypto Master Course. Bitcoin Indicator Bot fired a sell 4 weeks ago. Let's see if it fires a buy in 23 hours when this candle finishes. Volume is quite strong this week. Let's go into the daily. Daily, we got big volume. Stochastic turning up. Squeeze Mob still going green. There is a little bit of, you can see Bitcoin is trying to hold this 103, 104, 100. We got a pump to 110 and then a pullback. I don't see really a pattern. Maybe sending triangle a little bit, but not really a pattern on the daily, I would say. Cup and handle could also be considered. Cup and handle has formed, which is a bullish pattern, as I teach you in the Stock Guru Mastercourse, Crypto Mastercourse. Cup, handle, and you break out the base of the cup, this distance there. So I do think we can have a push up. If this cup and handle plays out, cup and handle, then the target of this move would be the base of the cup. So this distance here, the target would be 116,000. If you haven't taken a trade yet, I would try to take it onto major support. So I would open it at 99,400. Stop loss a little bit lower. This would be the safer trade I would take. And then take profit, I would take it to 129, which is one of the targets of the bull flag. The third to fourth wave is finished, fourth to fifth impulse wave, and you can see the final bull flag wave. So that's one trade I would take. For a riskier trade, go into the 4 hour. Let's go closer. 4 hourly, I see symmetrical triangle forming here. It's building pressure. See it? Symmetrical triangle. Who else sees it? Who's taking the Crypto and Stock Guru Master Course and sees this symmetrical triangle and bullish pennant that I've been talking about? It looks like it's about to break up. Pole. We had a fake out before, but now it does look like it's ready. Pole and then flag. Bullish pennant. We can move the distance of the pole and the distance of the flag. So the distance of the base of the pole. So I'll show you what I mean. So this distance here, we can move out. If we break out, target 116. Look, lines up exactly with that other target we drew. And then the base of the symmetrical triangle, this distance here, also can break out of this pattern, which is ready to break out. Ready to and that target would be also 115. Interesting, right? Symmetrical triangles build pressure like this, build pressure and break out, going with the trend. So 2 targets for 115. So for the safer trade, I'll take it to the EMA, which is the blue ribbon, 99,400. For a riskier trade, I'll take it on a little bit of a pullback before this breakout. I would try to get it from here, 103,200, stop loss 102, take profit, the target 115. Risk to reward is 10 times. 11 times almost, risking 1,100 to make 12,900 per Bitcoin. 10x leverage will be 129,000. You learn how to do all this trade and set up these charts all in the Crypto Mastercourse and Stock Guru Mastercourse. The links are in the description. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin, and it does look like it's ready. We got a fake out here when it broke out and then came back in. Let's see if today it finishes this breakout. We can't get a fake out now because the triangle has merged, and we have little less than 1, 2, 3 hours before Bitcoin should be breaking. No, it's 4-hourly time frame. So you have 1 4-hourly, 2, 3. So 12 hours until Bitcoin breaks out, everyone. We have 12 hours left to see. It might break out early because it's pushing against it, you see. Let's go into Ethereum. And again, I'm already in my Bitcoin trades. My Bitcoin trade is already 73,000 in profits, and I managed to buy it on every big dip. You can see the dips, and then my buys come in and pop up the price. I've been accumulating 7.5 Bitcoin. Ethereum trade now in the positive. My account pushing up a little bit, which is good news. Let's go into Ethereum. Ethereum bouncing right now. Same on the monthly. We've got a red candle on Ethereum for the month, which is crazy. While Donald Trump... Oh, not really. It's like a reversal candle. It's a reversal candle. We still have 6... No, No, it's not correct. Descending triangle on Bitcoin. The time frame on the monthly wasn't correct. Descending triangle on Ethereum, sorry, builds pressure and breaks out the base of the triangle. The distance of the target would be this space here, and you can see Ethereum is trying to push out. Let's go closer onto the... on the weekly, we have 23 hours left of the weekly candle. Weekly candle is green, which is good. And then the stochastic isn't overbought yet, and volume is growing. On the daily candles, you can clearly see this descending triangle, descending wedge, builds pressure, and breaks out the base of the triangle. So the distance of this breakout will be the base of this triangle, this distance here. If we measure it out, if we break out now, target would be 4,400. 4,000, and it looks like Ethereum could pull back one more time, like Bitcoin did, like fake out and then pull back, and then break out. But it looks like it is quite ready to break out. Let's go closer into the 4-hourly, set the trade. 4-hourly, I see a symmetrical triangle forming similar to Bitcoin. Symmetrical triangle formed, you see? We could even put it there, and it's got many touches on the trend line then. You want multiple touches on the trend line. So that's a symmetrical triangle. Everyone see it as I teach you in the Crypto Stock Guru Master Course. Builds pressure, and breaks out. So another potential breakout target here. Another pattern. We measure the base. Target breakout for Ethereum would be 3,700 would be the target. 378. If you haven't taken a trade, safer trade, 2,900 is still the safest place to take a trade. Stop loss underneath, say 2,700. Take profit, I would take it to the bull market high, 7,500. The target of this bigger symmetrical triangle that's very close to finishing. This is on the weekly charts, and it goes back 2021. It's massive symmetrical triangle. Builds pressure, and breaks out. The base of the triangle target is 7,500. But we still have room for it to pull back more. You see, it's not yet finished. It would finish in end of 2025. But hopefully we get a breakout earlier based off this closer time frame, 4-hourly descending triangle. Builds pressure, breaks out, or descending wedge. And then we go closer, we have the symmetrical triangle that's already about to break out. Same with Bitcoin. So I think we are going to have a breakout on Ethereum and Bitcoin, everyone, in the next few hours. Builds pressure and break out. Ethereum can break out now, or we could get tomorrow, so 12 hours from now, also possible. In 12 hours, we could have a big fireworks for Bitcoin. Target would be 3,800. So that's the riskier trade I'll take. 2,900 at the safer trade, 2,900. Stop loss at 2,700, risking 136 per Ethereum, 34 risk to reward ratio. Where can you risk $1 to make $34 or $136 to make $4,697? Nowhere else in the world. 10x leverage would be 47,000. That's the safer trade I'll take. For a riskier trade, I'll try to get one more pullback before this potential breakout, everyone. Target, then stop loss just below the weekly and take profit, same target. Same target of the weekly. And this risk to reward is 57 times, risking $74 per Ethereum. Stop loss below the weekly support. You see the weekly support sitting at 3,213. You learn all of this crypto and stock guru must course. If you haven't taken them and you're trying to trade, you're just going to lose. You need to take the courses before you understand what you're doing. Risking $74 to make 4,300 per Ethereum. 10x leverage, 43,000. These are my two trades I would take on Ethereum, and I'm already again in my trades on Bitcoin and Ethereum, which is beautiful. Also join us in the Telegram. There's 265 of you online. People discussing good 89 people discussing. You can join them in the conversation. Breaking: President Trump says he will fire all 187,000 IRS agents or move them to the border. Amazing news. And you can just see everyone discussing here. You can join them all. The link is down below under the video. You can go down below. Weex is giving a promo away till the 27th of February, so only one day left to win a Mercedes GLA, gold bar, or Rolex share, 150,000. Also a $200 sign-up bonus with Weex. For USA, UK, and Australia. Bybit is my favorite exchange, the main exchange I trade. You get a 60k bonus with Bybit. Biggest liquidity, second biggest exchange, lowest fees in my opinion. Weex, Bitunix 5,500, no KYC for international, worldwide, and jamescryptoguru.com for the courses and for the Telegram. And over on X, you can go and follow me on X. I've got now 100,300 followers. Bitcoin money you can't control yourself. I wrote that in 2018. President Trump says he'll fire all 87,000. All governments should track all their spending on the blockchain and immutable public ledger. It's called public spending for a reason. CZ also follows me, which is awesome. Founder of Binance. Crypto is open in America, and you can see the things that I've been posting. My Ethereum dip buys were pretty beautiful. Anyone else notice Netflix movies and TV shows are getting much more gory and much more disgusting? I can't even watch it anymore. Extremely gory. Boy, is the substance. And I like PvP, like epic movies. You are the best. I follow you from Puerto Rico. Thank you very much. And let's see. Edux will change DeFi. Okay, I hate this stochastic indicator. It's never serious. He's making a joke. My theory is BlackRock want more cheaper, so they're desperately trying to keep it as low as possible. Close the positions, buy low, sell, buy at the low. It's rare to break a high at the first time. Top not even close. It's mirroring 2017. Another month-long flat. If the Bitcoin reserve does happen, they certainly won't be paying more than 100k a piece. They'll probably wait for 80k. And people, in my opinion, it's looking bullish. It's the weekend, and we didn't get much of a pullback even on the weekend, which is incredible. We only had to move from 107 down to 103 back to 105. So even on the weekend, when the ETFs are closed, Bitcoin is extremely bullish. Everyone knows that the US is open for crypto now. The president has his own cryptocurrency. The president's son, his company, World Liberty Fi, is buying up. They bought $10 million of Bitcoin yesterday in Ethereum, and they're buying every day. So this is very, very good news for the crypto markets, everyone. We were buying Bitcoin and Ethereum when the banks used to call us scammers, when they blocked our accounts, when PayPal called crypto scams, blocked it, when Google and Facebook blocked all crypto because it was scams, when all banks around the world blocked crypto because it was scams, when all Jamie Dimon and all these ETFs and all this BlackRock were calling it scams, we were buying Bitcoin. Now the president and all of them are buying Bitcoin and Ethereum. We made it, people. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.